Arundel County getting a win in court this week in their fight against gun shop owners. Fox 5's Kitty Barlow has this story for us tonight. Kitty, what's this fight about?
Well, Arundel County can require gun shop owners to display leaflets on suicide prevention and conflict resolution. That's according to a unanimous decision from a federal appeals court. Conservative judge Paul Niemeyer authored the opinion after 4 gun shop owners challenged the regulation, saying that it violated their First Amendment right not to speak. Now, the opinion opens by saying deaths by suicide have increased nationally over recent years, and now roughly 48,000 people die annually from suicide, and over 50% of those suicides were committed with firearms, according to the CDC. Arundel County declared a public health crisis in 2022 after finding that suicides had increased yearly for 5 years. In response, it required gun shop owners to distribute literature about suicide prevention and peaceful conflict resolution, along with where to get help using county resources. The owners face a $500 fine for failing to comply the first time, $1,000 every time after that. Gun dealers argue that the pamphlets suggest guns cause suicide, and therefore the real purpose of the literature is to discourage gun purchasers by linking guns to suicide. They said the pamphlets compelled them to speak, and that violates their First Amendment right.
There's a very fundamental constitutional right, and that's the right not to be compelled to speak the government's message. And the government has no right under the Constitution to force any citizen to say what they want them to say.
The court disagreed. They reasoned that the leaflets and the county regulation is narrowly tailored enough here to reach the county's goal of reducing the number of suicides. They said, look, it's really no different than other labels and warnings that you're allowed to put on certain purchases, like the Surgeon General's warning on a pack of cigarettes. We spoke to the lawyer for the gun shop owners who says they plan to appeal, which could go to the Supreme Court. Guys.